Hi, this is Bruce Paul, and you're listening to Lighting Gourmet. So this section is just a quick overview about Lutron's dimming and control products. I often explain to people that Lutron's dimming drops in about 5 groups. They have what we call wall box, which are basic dimmers, switches. They've had them for years. That's a category. Next is Lutron Cassetta. It's relatively new. It's been around for the last couple of years. Extremely popular, probably one of their most popular series now. It's got a lot of wireless capability to it, phone application, automatically controlling your lights, etc. like that. Very inexpensive and no programmer needed. So Cassetta has been extremely popular and is just going to get more popular. It has some limits, like 50 devices, but it's very popular. Next up on that is brand new Radio Raw Select. Now, Lutron's had Radio Raw 2 for many years, but they recently came out with Radio Raw Select, which is a step down of Radio Raw. It's simpler, it doesn't require a programmer, which is what the direction of a lot of their products are going. And so Radio Raw 2 is a higher end product, allows up to 200 devices, 100, and then there's a way to do 200 devices with it. And it's wireless, so you just pull out an existing house, you pull out products and you install new products. You bring in a programmer, that's Radio Raw 2. Radio Raw Select, same concept, you pull out products, you put in new products. It's less expensive. And what happens is you don't need any programmer. So you use a phone app for the Radio Raw Select. It doesn't have all the capabilities, it also doesn't have the same cost. So again, a recap is Lutron Wall Box at the start, Lutron Cassetta, next step up, Radio Raw Select is the next step up to 100 devices with Radio Raw Select, 200 devices with Radio Raw 2, and then the top of the mountain is Lutron HomeWorks. HomeWorks can do 16,000 devices. There's really, for all intents and purposes, no limits to it. It's generally oriented toward new homes, although it can be used on a retrofit basis. Tremendous amount of capabilities. It's the Cadillac of controls. I love it. It's very flexible. It allows a lot of programming, a lot of smart programming. It does require a programmer like Radio Raw 2. So there's no real way to get around that. So you have to have a good relationship with your programmer to do that. If you have a big house, multiple houses, multiple buildings on the property, high-end solution, Lutron HomeWorks. And you can connect buildings with one button or a phone. You can turn off hundreds of lights if you want. You can change with the touch of one button tens or hundreds of light scenes. And in a big house, you can have a lot of light controls. So it makes turning off a whole house as easy as a touch of a button.